Yes, your order?
My friend Ria is in love with you.
What are you saying, ma'am?
I did my job. Now you see it? Uh, yes, yes, actually, I like you a lot and I really want to get married to you.
Look, ma'am, you please don't do any prank with me. You are a millionaire daughter, and I am just a waiter.
Hey, no, we are not joking. She really loves you a lot. Yeah, Ria. Till how long we will come in this cafe? There are many better cafes in Gurgaon. We can go there as well. Yeah, vibe is very good here and food is also so good. Still, yaar, how many times we will come to this cafe? On every weekend, we used to go in different cafes. And now, in a single week, we come here 3 times. Understand, na yaar? You are hiding something from me. Tell me the truth. What is the thing? Okay, let me tell you today. That waiter, na, who takes our order. That one? Yes, I think I'm in love with him. What are you saying this? You and you're in love with that waiter? Yes, yaar. The way he talks, his smile, how calm he is. When he's around me, I feel something different in myself. And when I go from here to home, still his face is there in my mind. And these days he's coming in my dreams as well. First of all, look at yourself and look at him. Your father is a businessman. He won't agree to this. I know my father very well. I am his only daughter. Till today, whatever I asked, he never denied me. And I know he won't deny for this as well. Because he loves me so much and he can do anything for my happiness. Still, Ria, what people will say? A billionaire's daughter got married to a waiter? Come on, sis. We are living in 21st century, yaar. What people will say, what society will say, I don't care. Where there is love, na, we don't care about all these things. Okay, fine. If your love is on this level, so you propose him now. Not right now, yaar. Let's wait for the right time. Okay, let's order something. Ria, don't stretch it too much. Propose him today. Yaar, I want to propose. But the moment he comes near me, I'm not able to say anything. Oh god, how this will work, Ria? When he doesn't know that you're in love with him. So how he will propose you? If you can't do so, tell me. I'll propose him on your name. I will propose him. But I'm afraid, yaar, if he will reject, then he will reject you. Who has bad luck that he will reject you? His luck is so good that you're going to propose him. Otherwise, every day someone is dying for you. Enough, sister. Now let's order something. No, propose him. Not today. Maybe someday. Okay, let's order. Excuse me.
I'll place the order. Yes, your order?
My friend Ria is in love with you.
Look, even if it's true, it's still not possible. Your father is a famous businessman in this city. Who doesn't know him? And I'm just a waiter.
But I don't have any problem of you being a waiter. If we will live together, we will get married, so we can open a cute cafe.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but I know my status. I'm not worthy of you.
My friend Ria is proposing you and you are telling her that you're not worthy. She's proposing you because you're worthy. Otherwise, till date, she haven't accepted anybody's proposal.
Yes, I know. When you guys left, many guys come here to ask about her. When does she come? What time does she come? Does she come daily or what?
Leave all that. Tell me, do you like Ria? Tell me.
Yes, I do. Whenever you guys used to come here, I used to get a different kind of happiness. And she has such a good nature. She talks so nicely. Anyone can fall in love with her. But your dad will never agree.
Hey, you leave all that now. That's my job. You tell me, will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Hello, Dad?
Yes, Ria.
Actually, I wanted to tell you something.
Yes, tell me.
Dad, actually, I like a guy so much and I want to marry him.
Okay.
Fine. Won't you ask what he's doing? Who is he? From where he is?
Dear, I'm your dad. I know everything. You have never talked about any boy in front of me, but you have been praising a waiter for a few days. Isn't he the boy you love, huh?
Yes, Dad, he's the one.
I agree. When you're going to let him meet me?
So soon. And thank you, Dad. I love you so much.
I love you too, dear. Be happy. Be happy.
Now tell me.
Who has such fathers?